What's going on, guys? My name is Alex Widuch and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Guys, I am overly excited, and you guys should be as well. Watch this video all the way through. It's gonna be a banger. We are going to pick up a vehicle for the channel. Perfect. Guys, we're going to pick something up. I'm so excited. Look, it's early in the morning. I'm on 4 hours of sleep. I'm on three espresso shots, so let's get it. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you smash the subscribe button, because every single video that I do is just basically aimed at making you guys smile, excited about cars, and just excited about life in general. Also, if you enjoyed today's video at any point, make sure you smash that thumbs up. Today's like goal is 500 likes. I know we can get past that, maybe even 1,000. It helps out the channel so much, so if you guys enjoy the video at any point, please throw the video a thumbs up, keep smiling, and let's get to today's video. Today's Instagram shout out goes to Jacob T. Woods. Thank you, Jacob, so much for supporting the channel and using the hashtag. If you guys want to have the chance to have your Instagram shout out, all you got to do is use today's hashtag, which is hashtag cars, and leave your Instagram down below. If you guys want to keep up with the videos behind the scenes, some days when I don't post, or some days when I even hint at a future video, follow my Instagram at tilted_TDI. Mama K's up early in the morning, picking some weeds. Little does she know we're heading on over to our buddy's house to go and pick up this new vehicle. Who knows? Will she be excited? Will she be mad? We'll find out later on in the video, but right now, I'm just focused on getting over there. I'm so excited, guys. So it's a big day. It's a big day. So for those of you guys who are new to the channel, I'm from New Jersey. We got all 4 seasons and they hit hard. Once summer's over, fall hits harder than ever. The frost comes, and then right after that, obviously, is winter, and winter is just no bueno. Some days it's -5, the next day it's 60. It's all over the place. Mother Nature hates New Jersey for sure. We just pulled up to who's driving us to go get this vehicle. Who do you think it is? Throw it down in the comments before you see it. I'll give you a couple seconds. Okay, let's go see who it is.
Get in my house, I'm sorry. Eat all those apples.
So Joey and I are about to head out. Joey doesn't even know what this thing looks like. He doesn't even know what it is. He doesn't even know any hints, and he's not going to give you guys any hints. But Joey, are you excited?
Yeah.
Got like peacocks and all that crazy. Oh, Joey saw his boy. I'm a little scared. Joey's getting race car-ish. Always two-handed, kids. Hey, horsey. What noise does the horse make? So right now, I may or may not be taking a leak in the woods. That may or may not be someone's driveway. I may or may not be on the side of Joey's truck. Joey, how you doing in there?
Hey, why not?
Oh, yo. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. Oh my God. Hey, Joey. This guy looks just like you.
My brother.
Here it is. This is what we came for right here. There it is. What do you guys think? What do you think about it?
It's awesome.
Looks good to me, boys. Joey and I are looking at the new vehicle right now. That car was actually not it. Joey, what are you thinking?
This thing is awesome.
Should I show them?
Yeah, I guess they can see.
There it is, guys. 2001 Eton 90. This thing is an absolute banger. I got this quad back when I was 4 years old, and this was my brother's quad. We gave it to my cousin Holly, who's now the proud owner of it, but I'm now the proud owner. She's given it back. It's been sitting for a few years. It needs to be fixed up. It's a fun little channel build, and also something fun to rip. Jimmy Oaks got the K-Truck, and I got the Eton Viper 90. I'm super stoked on it. Literally been sitting out here for a couple of years. It's literally been dug into the ground for like a couple of years, but the tires have air in them. No, they're not dry rotted, and they're full of air, which is pretty crazy. These are the original tires.
No.
Yeah, the original tires from 2001.
Bet you can get like tires like this at Track Supply, probably.
Dude, yeah. Gonna do some wheelies on this thing?
Oh, dude, are you kidding me?
Look at the suspension even. This thing is mint. We roll this thing out of the hole. Let's see it. Let's see this thing move. Look how long this thing has been sitting here. It's literally engraved itself into the dirt. Dude, look at the suspension even. This thing is mint. Joey, tell us what you found.
Honda Weed Whacker.
Joey's needed one of these for years. He's really wanted one. They're kind of hard to find. And you feeling special today?
Yeah, I feel amazing.
Oh, you upset that it's leaving?
Hey, it's getting fixed.
He's gonna get fixed.
Gonna have fun.
We're gonna get Holly in the videos ripping this thing pretty soon, which is pretty exciting. So Holly and I came up with a deal. I'm gonna take it home and rip it and fix it, and then she can come by and ride it whenever she wants. But luckily she's gonna be giving it to me back to me for the channel. Super excited for it. I know Holly's excited for it. And this thing hasn't been riding in years, and as you guys can see, it's been sitting in the dirt. But hey, that's what happens to these things. They get neglected. My red one's sitting in the woods right now. It's been there for about 5 years. I was telling Joey about how there's got a mouse nest underneath here. We're gonna have to dig into there and clean that out, but that's looking like a mess as
Bee
well.
nest there too.
Oh my God, there is a bee's nest. Look at this rigging I did back in the day with the wire and the zip ties missing a bolt. This thing is just, oh yeah, she's holding together good. Joey's over here trying to tell me that I need new tires for this thing.
You do.
These tires are mint, bro.
Alex, how do I put the, do I have to like open the lever?
Nah, you angle it in there and look at that, she's in there Minsky. All gonna be me balancing right here. It's hard because the lawnmower's behind me. That's without the quad even being on, so get ready for the wheelies on this quad.
The meme about it?
Get this old girl pushed up against the box.
Yeah, the strapper.
Exhaust pipe is full of stuff. We got this quad all loaded up. Obviously, it's DOT approved. Joey did a good job tying this thing down.
Oh yeah, dude.
Guys, throw it down in the comments. Say thank you so much to Joey, because honestly, Joey caught me in my 4 hours of sleep. I've been a little grumpy this morning, so throw it down in the comments. Say thanks, Joey. Alrighty, guys, we're heading out.
Ollie, Joanna.
Holly, we'll see you later.
Yeah, I'll see you later, Ollie.
This dump truck doesn't even have a license plate. Surprisingly enough, this thing made it back, did not even roll, literally didn't even move an inch. I had locked the handbrake, and obviously Joey had made these straps really tight, so that's nice and perfect and not loose at all. Woo! That's how it's done right there. Dude, did I do a good job?
Dude, that was so funny. That was me flew out of the bed, like right onto the ground. That was so funny.
On the pro. Oh my God, if this is not a fitting situation for Joey, are you kidding me? Joey, you look amazing on this thing. Holy crap. Little update on the oil spots in the driveway. They're cleaned up, but now the driveway has all these little lines in there. I don't know how Big Jay's gonna feel about that, but that looks much better. Oh, this quad was made for you, Joey. How's the man in the camera? You feeling like a true professional?
Hey guys, it's me, Joe. And I was just doing the Alex Widuch impression. Heard it here first.
Bro, this thing's gonna be ripping. Throw down in the comments if you guys want to see with this thing. Do you guys want to see us jump in it? Do you want to see us flip in it? You don't have to move back. I'm trying to move towards you. Let us know what you want to do. Throw it down in the comments. Throw this video a like if you enjoy. Pretty excited for the quad build. Let me know if you guys are excited for the quad build. Joey and I just came back to his house. Put back the snowblower back into his truck. Woo! I just got back to the house. I got my coffee and I had that donut. My mom gave me a coupon. Thank you, Karen, for giving me the coupon. Got a coffee and a donut for $2. Can't beat it. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, throw it a thumbs up. And I hope you guys are excited for the quad content. It's something to switch it up. I do car stuff a lot. I used to race motocross for a bunch of years and stuff. So this cool little quad is just something fun to do, and I'm really excited about it. We'll do an intake on it and stuff like that. Whatever you guys throw down in the comments, my ears are open. So I'm excited to hear. On that note, I'm gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're smiling, and I hope your day's going well. So remember, don't let anyone put you down. Your build is unique to you, and keep smiling. Peace.